Okay, peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neurons refer to the nerves outside the brain and the spinal cord. It's broke down into the sensory, motor, and autonomic, which include parasympathetic and sympathetic. There are different types of fibers in the peripheral nerves: A, B, and C. A alpha, which conduction velocity about 70 milliseconds and it functions like motor proprioception. A beta touch and fibers B conduction velocity 5 to 15 and it functions autonomic and trigeminal. And fibers C functions load chain. Different dermatomes and myotomes, cervical and lumbosacral dermatomes and myotomes. C5 myotomes, elbow flexion and muscles involved in elbow flexion, biceps and brachialis and brachioradius. C6 thumb, myotome wrist extensors and muscles involved extensors outer radialis, longus and brevis. Spinal level C7, dermatome testing middle finger, myotome elbow extension, muscle involved triceps. C8 spinal level and key sensory area for dermatome testing, little finger. It causes myotome finger fractures, distal length, pressure digitorum finger. Spinal level T1, dermatome ulnar antiquated fossa, myotome hand intensive. Types of peripheral neuropathy. Neuropathies might be acute or chronic. Mononeuropathy, affecting a single nerve. Polyneuropathy, diffuse symmetrical disease usually starting peripherally. Mononeuropathy multiplies, affect the several or multiple nerves. Radiculopathy, disease affecting nerve roots. Peripheral neuropathy can affect sensory pathways, motor pathways, and autonomic pathways. Peripheral neuropathy types: neuropraxia, axonopathy, and neurotomy. Neuropraxia due to the injury, axonopathies like injury or severe degeneration, and neurotomy. Mechanism of peripheral neuropathy. There are 6 possible mechanisms of peripheral nerve degeneration, like demyelination, commonly Guillain-Barré syndrome, axonal degeneration, like toxic neuropathy, Wallerian degeneration, compression, like carpal tunnel syndrome, infarction in diabetes, and infiltration in leprosy and granulomas. Causes of peripheral neuropathy. The causes of peripheral neuropathy are often unknown, but the 2 main causes are diabetic neuropathy and mutational, including alcohol return D1 deficiency. Other causes of neuropathy, infectious cause like HIV, leprosy, diphtheria, tetanus, and botulism, and heavy metal poisoning like lead and mercury, malignancy and metabolic cause like hypothyroidism, liver failure, renal failure, post-infectious polyneuropathies like Guillain-Barré syndrome, sarcoidosis, drug-induced like isoniazid, vincristine, phenytoin, gold, and excess vitamin B6. And another cause of peripheral neuropathy like Charcot-Marie syndrome are hereditary sensory motor neuropathy. Mnemonic to remember the peripheral neuropathy causes: diabetes, David. D for diabetes, A for alcoholism, V for vitamin deficiency, especially vitamin B12, infectious or inherited cause, like Guillain-Barré syndrome, and thus isomorphic. Mononeuropathy. Peripheral nerve compression and impairment, like hypotensive syndrome, common mononeuropathy, in which median nerve impairment. The clinical presentation of hypotensive syndrome, like pain and tingling, and paresthesia on the palmar aspect of the hands and fingers, weakness of the thinner muscles, and wasting of adductor pollicis baby, especially pain at night time, and pain may extend to arm and shoulder, fingers and phalanx cells are positive. Sensory polyneuropathy presentation. Symptoms like paresthesia, numbness, burning pain, loss of vibration sense and position sense, difficulty in using small objects like needles, subjective to subjective with a texture because loss of sense of posture. Feet are usually affected first, soft and glow, stopping and glow distribution. Autonomic polyneuropathy. Presentation most like clinical features, postural hypotension, urinary retention, erectile dysfunction, diarrhea or constipation, diagnosed sweating, impaired pupillary response, cardiac arrhythmia, and might occur in diabetes, amyloidosis, and Guillain-Barré syndrome. Motor neuropathy. Clinical presentation. Progressive weakness or clumsiness, difficulty in walking, falling or stumbling, respiratory difficulties like falling, versatility, resting muscles, foot drops or foot drop might be seen. Reflexive substance are reduced. Diabetic neuropathy. Directly related to the duration and degree of abnormal metabolic control occurring relatively early in the disease. Due to the metabolic disturbance and accumulation of fructose and sorbitol in Schwann cell degradation, types of diabetic neuropathy. Symmetrical, mainly sensory neuropathy, acute central neuropathy, mononeuropathy and mononeuritis multiplex, diabetic amyotrophy, and autonomic neuropathy. Alcoholic neuropathy. Chronic alcohol abuse gives the polyneuropathy. Cough pain is common. Deficiency in thiamine due to the alcoholism also causes neuropathy, can lead to the Wernicke-Korsakoff cycle syndrome. Common presentation, eye signs, ataxia, cognitive changes, delirium tremens, hypothermia, and hypertension. Wernicke syndrome include ophthalmoplegia, confusion, coma, and death. Guillain-Barré syndrome, acute polyneuropathy, acute inflammatory or post-infectious neuropathy, usually demyelinating but can be ischemic. Monophagic, following the Campylobacter jejuni or CMV virus. Infection induces antibody responses against the peripheral nerves, paralysis 1 to 3 weeks following the infection, weakness of distal limb muscles and or distal numbness. Symptoms progresses functionally, secret tendon reflexes, facial weakness, autonomic features like arrhythmia that might need the ventilatory support. Subcutaneous hyperemia required to reduce the risk of the thrombosis. Spontaneous recovery begins after the several weeks. Other neuropathies like in cancer, cerebroplastic syndrome are sometimes with anti-neuronal antibodies, polyarteritis nodosa due to the sarcoidosis, giant cell arthritis, Winter disease, vitamin B12 deficiency, hereditary cause like Charcot-Marie disease, due to the infectious thyroid disease, or uremia or chronic polyneuropathy. General investigation, urine test for glucose and protein level, General blood tests like fasting blood sugar, pressure, vitamin B12, and folate level. Biochemistry tests like fasting glucose, renal function, liver function, and thyroid state. Neurophysiology testing, including nerve conduction studies and electromyography, and nerve biopsy. General management. We need to find the cause of neuropathy to treat. If pain, can give antiepileptic, antidepressant drugs or Tramadol. Food care, good, give good food, weight reduction. Walking aids for those with severe leg weakness, occupational therapy, and physical therapy. Images, thank you.